Assalamu alaikum, dear students, guardians, and viewers. Hope and expect that all are well by the grace of Allah. We are passing a dangerous period for COVID-19. For COVID-19, our educational institutions are closed. To fulfill our shortage in education, the authority of Mohanganj Pilot Govt High School has started online class. We should stay home, use mask at the time of going out from home, wash hands again and again at least 20 seconds, and follow the rules of health. Now we can go to our lesson. Transform, verb, meaning रूपांतर. Transform, verb, meaning रूपांतर. Transformable, transformative, transformative সমান adjective, adjective রূপান্তরযোগ্য অথবা রূপান্তরমূলক। এরপর নেক্সট ট্রান্সফরমেশন, ট্রান্সফরমেশন নাউন রূপান্তর। ট্রান্সফর্ম ভার্ব রূপান্তর করা। ট্রান্সফর্মেবল, ট্রান্সফরমেটিভ রূপান্তরমূলক অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। ট্রান্সফরমেশন নাউন। We shall discuss about transformation. Today's topic is transformation. Today's topic transformation. 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 Today's topic transformation. On what is transformation, or what do you mean by transformation? The sentence which transforms one to other is called transformation. And such as, he is a good boy. Negative. He is a good boy, negative. It is a affirmative sentence. You have to do negative. He is not a bad boy. We can transform on four ways. We can transform four way. We can transform four ways. Change the sentence. According to meaning. We can Change the sentence according to meaning. We can transform according to meaning. 1. Assertive. 2. Interrogative. 3. Imperative. 4. Optative. 5. Exclamatory. অ্যাসার্টিভ থেকে ইন্টারোগেটিভ থেকে অ্যাসার্টিভ, ইম্পারেটিভ টু চেঞ্জ দি সেন্টেন্স অ্যাকর্ডিং টু স্ট্রাকচার। Change the sentence according to structure. Structure. 1. Simple. 2. Complex. 3. Compound. 3. Change the sentence according to degree. Change the sentence according to degree. 1. Positive. 2. Comparative. 3. Superlative. Change the sentence according to degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. 4. Change the sentence according to voice. 1. Active. 2. Passive. We can transfer 4 ways. 1 is according to meaning, sentence. 2 according to structure, simple, complex and compound. 3 according to degree, positive, comparative, superlative. 4 according to voice, active, passive. We shall today discuss affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. Given sentence will be affirmative. You have to transfer into negative. Only Allah can help us. 2. Only He can do the work. 3. He was alone alive. There are three sentences here. Only Allah can help us. Only Allah, He can do the work. He was alone alive. If in affirmative sentence only or alone is used, you have to use none but in front of the sentence when you will change the sentence into negative. Only or alone, none but, Allah can help us. Only He can do the work. None but, He can do the work. He was alone alive. None but, He was alive. Only or alone, where is used? When you will used none but, you have to use in front of the sentence. In front of the sentence. Rule 1. Rule 2. Children likes only sweet. Two. I have only few toys. Children likes only sweets. I have only few toys. Here has only. Sweets is a things. Toys is a things. Only, when only is used before things, you have to use nothing but. Instead of only. Instead of only. Children likes nothing but sweets. I have only few toys. Only. I have nothing but toys. Rule 3. He was only 22. I am only 45. When only is used before age, you have to use not more than. If you want to negative, if you want to do negative, he was not more than 22. I am only 45. I am not more than 45. Clear? Next, rule 3. 4. One, you must do it. 2, you must obey your parents. You must do it, তুমি অবশ্যই এটি করবে। ইউ মাস্ট ওবে ইউর প্যারেন্টস, অবশ্যই তুমি তোমার পিতামাতাকে মান্য করবে। এখন ইফ মাস্ট হ্যাজ, ইফ মাস্ট হ্যাজ, on if you want to into negative, you have to used cannot but or cannot help instead of must. Instead of must, you cannot but do it. Here I have used cannot but instead of must, but this line I shall use cannot help. Cannot help. You cannot help obeying your parents. Obeying your parents. Cannot, when you will use cannot but, you have to use the present form of the verb. When you will use cannot help, you have to added ing with the next verb, because help is a verb, obey is a verb, and when two verb is together, you have to use ing with next verb, with next verb. Okay? Rule 5. Both Kamal and Jamal are friends. 2. Both you and your father are educated. Both Kamal and Jamal are friends. Both you and your father are educated. If both dash and are in the sentence, there are both dash and in the key sentence, in the sentence. And if you want to do negative of these sentences, you have to use not only but also. You will use not only instead of both, and you have to use but also instead of and. মানে বোথ ড্যাশ অ্যান্ড থাকলে যদি তুমি নেগেটিভ করতে চাও, বোথের স্থলে নট অনলি, অ্যান্ডের স্থলে বাট অলসো। নট অনলি কামাল but also Jamal are friends. Both you and your father are educated. Not only you but also your father are educated. Clear? Next, rule 6. He took coffee and ice cream. He took coffee and ice cream. He bought a pen and a khata. And it is affirmative. You have to do negative. And if and is joined to noun, coffee and ice cream. When and will join to noun, you have to use not only but also. In front of first noun not only and next noun but also. He took not only coffee but also ice cream. He bought a pen and a khata. He bought not only a pen but also a khata. Clear? Rule 6. Next, rule 7. Everyone hates a liar. 2. Every mother loves her child. Everyone hates a liar. প্রত্যেকেই একজন মিথ্যাবাদীকে অবিশ্বাস ঘৃণা করে। এভরি মাদার লাভস হার চাইল্ড, প্রত্যেক মাই তার সন্তানকে ভালোবাসে। এখন হোয়েন এভরি উইল স্টে ইন দ্য সেন্টেন্স, ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফলো এ স্ট্রাকচার। There is no, every এর পরিবর্তে, every এর পরিবর্তে, there is no, every এর পরিবর্তে, there is no, there is no প্লাস এভরি এর পরের ওয়ার্ডটি, এভরি এর পরের ওয়ার্ডটি, এভরি এর পরের ওয়ার্ডটি, দেয়ার ইজ নো ওয়ান, দেয়ার ইজ নো মাদার প্লাস বাট, প্লাস বাকি অংশ। HATES hates a liar, loves her child. আমরা অবশ্যই স্ট্রাকচারটি মুখস্থ করব। স্ট্রাকচারটি দেয়ার ইজ নো, এভরি এর পরিবর্তে প্লাস এভরি এর পরের ওয়ার্ডটি প্লাস বাট প্লাস বাকি অংশ। নেক্সট লাস্ট রুল, রুল 8, রুল 8, students stood up. As soon as teacher entered the classroom, students stood up. It is an affirmative sentence. And if we want to do negative of this sentence, no sooner had teacher entered the classroom, then the students stood up. When as soon as will stay in a sentence, if you want to negative, you have to use no sooner had instead of as soon as, and you have to use then last, before last clause, okay. We hope that all of the students listened my lecture. I shall teach you